Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
A plus 2b, first row is completed, and second row C minus 1 4d minus 6 is equal to the other matrix whose entries are 0 minus 7 3 2d. We are seeing, dear students, these both matrices are equal to each other. That is the given condition by the question. So, according to the definition of the equal matrices, or according to the equality of two matrices, corresponding entries will be equal to the corresponding entry of the other matrix. Hence, in this way, first entry A plus C will be equal to 0. We name it equation number 1. And the second entry of the first row A plus 2b will be equal to the second entry of the second matrix minus 7. We name it equation number 2. And in this way, in the second row, the first entry is C minus 1. That will be equal to the first entry in the matrices second matrix, which is equal to 3, and we name it equation number 3. Now, according to the definition of the equal matrices, the last entry 4d minus 6 will be equal to its corresponding last entry, which is equal to 2d. We name it equation number 4 for our convenience.